Join along with me as I do some tasks throughout the week. The first thing I am doing is doing lemon and ginger shots. I am using this Breville juicer and I'm also making some juices. And of course, I need a coffee break, so using my Breville Barista Pro and making an iced coffee. And I got this cup off the TikTok shop, but I'll also link it in my Amazon storefront, along with all these other containers and glasses. And I'm using these glass bottles because I haven't received my plastic shot glasses for the ginger and lemon shots. Those are coming through Amazon tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in these glass containers and into the refrigerator until I can transfer them over. And I'm trying to get a lot better at posting YouTube videos. I post a lot on TikTok, so if you're not already following me, I'll have the details in the caption. Let me know what type of videos you guys like to watch. I just filmed some stuff that I did throughout the week, so I figured I'd compile it into like a clean talk type of video. Comment down below if you like these type of videos. Do you want more voiceovers? Do you want more lifestyle vlogs? I'm not sure where direction I want to go with, so comment those down below. Decluttering my drawer, so these are leaving. It's still pretty messy in here, but at least it can close for now, and I'll deal with it later. But do a quick unboxing of the shoes. So the first one I want to show you guys, these are from Grandma. And these are size 8. And then the next one we have is this one. Are these blue ones, and what size is this? This one is size 9. So this is when they get older. That's how these ones look. These are size 9, so when they're older. And then the next one is going to be the same color, but current size. So these are the blue ones, which are the same size as these ones. So we're just gonna be taking these ones and the blue ones with us today, so the kiddos can wear them. So we have those ones and these ones. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these with us so the boys can wear it in the forest today. Beach Waver is having a sale.